God, I have to move it again. The lighting is just like moving everywhere. So the nails that they sent me were the tramp stamp ones and then the hot girl ones. Because hot girl is my favorite, I've actually already opened up the tramp stamp ones, but I've taken all the shit out of that. So I'm gonna take you through what's, you know, going on inside the box and what you need to worry about and what you don't. Alright, so firstly, when you open the box, you just take that out. That's the first thing you do, really. You've got your nail display, and you can use these nails. You also, inside the box itself, you get the bag of nails, and if you can't find your specific size, most likely, they're in there. Let me reword that. When you look through these, sometimes there might be like only one nail that's like exactly your size. That's not really a manufacturing error. Most likely it's like in there, so that's fine. Also inside you've got these sticky gel things. I have made the mistake of using these before. These are not for like a night out. These are only for when you want to like take photos with the nails on and then you want to take them off. And then you've also got the alcohol pad, which is perfect for getting the dirt off, like, you know, the top of your nails. And yeah, it kind of just gets rid of like the oil and just sort of creates like a dry surface, so it doesn't like nothing sort of interrupts the glue per se. Inside you've got the like the back of the display itself. You have your glue, you have your nail file, one side's a buffer and then one side's the actual file. Over here it's kind of fallen, usually it's like behind the file, but you've got like this little wooden stick, and I never really know exactly what it's for, but I use it to clean the dirt from like underneath my nails. And I know that sounds disgusting, but it is much better to have a clean surface and like a clean nail in general when you put these things on, because you don't want, yeah, things interrupting the glue and like the sticking process. Amazing. So tramp stamp, because I've already opened these up, I've also got like the size of my nails. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, you can. The easiest way to like do this shit is just be as organized as possible. The last thing you want to do is like lose a nail when you're putting them on. I've done that before. So for this video, I'm only going to do one hand, just because of the fact that like I don't want pretty nails while I'm at home. I literally have nothing to do except for cook and like do like at home type things. So yeah, pick out all your nails like so. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to actually size them up. That one's good. I've got a piece of hair hanging off my hand. And this shouldn't even take long either. It's such an easy process finding the nails that fit you. And then your pinky. Gorgeous. Okay, so I've got all of my nails set up. Now I'm gonna have to clean my nails. Okay, get your nail glue, open it up. You gotta twist it to open it as well. Pull it. And for the glue applying process, you can kind of, it doesn't really matter like what you put the glue on first, whether it's your nail, your actual nail, or the nail itself. I prefer to put it on my actual nail just because of the fact that like it's easier to sort of navigate how much you're putting on. You only really want like, you want like a sort of medium to thin layer of glue, and then you sort of just grab your nail and I guess press it on and hold it for like, let's count, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 10 seconds is a good amount of time. There we go. Beautiful. It's on perfectly. I actually don't think I've ever done it that perfect before. Excuse the fucking eyeliner. But yeah, you just do the same thing with all your other nails. Okay, so I have put them on. I've got the other hand as well, for bitches that don't believe me. That's basically it. It is so simple to put these nails on, and they do last up to like 2 to 3 weeks depending on how much movement you're used to, or like how much you use your hands. Even as someone that is constantly doing things with their hands, like these nails usually last up to a week and a half, which is quite a long time. What else can I say about Troche? They're affordable. Firstly, they're like $18, $19 online, something like that. They're a local Melbourne business as well, so that's great. It's really important to support your local brands. If you are interested in getting a pair of stick-on acrylic nails from Tracy, I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.